Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Sovereign Village in Portmore. Now the name Sovereign has become synonymous with malls in Jamaica. You have Sovereign in Ligoni, you have Sovereign North, Sovereign Mandeville, Sovereign on the Boulevard, and this one is Sovereign Sovereign Village Portmore. Very nice mall, as you can see, extremely busy. Now this mall is located in the municipality of Portmore, which is a massive area. It has one of the largest populations in Jamaica. So you need three things for a successful mall in Jamaica. One, build it in a populated area and just see the traffic to get into this mall. This mall is, as we said earlier, is built in Portmore. A lot of traffic. Two, you need food stores. And this mall literally has a food court. It has Subway. It has Island Grill. It has Popeye's Chicken. And a lot of other restaurants. And the third thing, you need a brand name supermarket. A large supermarket. And this plaza has Progressive Foods, which is a part of the Shoppers Fair supermarket chain, which is the largest supermarket chain in Jamaica. So this plaza does extremely well. Across the road from this plaza is where they've built the new Fontana, Starbucks, Quartz, Price Mart, and they built a massive mall literally across the road from this one called Hongway Mall. Very nice mall. We have videos of it up. You can check it out. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And when we were listing the names of the popular restaurants, we forgot Wendy's and Domino's. We're going to see the Wendy's straight ahead. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also leave your comments. Let us know what you think about this mall. Alright guys, have a good day.